Love that zippy burger sauce from the drive-thru? Well, you can make it at home in minutes. I'm spilling the sauce on this copycat recipe. Hi, I'm Christina from It Is a Keeper and Cake Mix Recipes. I share tried and true recipes that anyone can make. I believe if you can read, you can cook. Today, I'm showing you how to make Copycat Big Mac Sauce. It's rich, tangy, and the perfect finishing touch for burgers, fries, or even sandwiches. To make it easier for you, I included the full printable recipe in the video description below, so make sure you snag it. This recipe is so super easy, only a handful of ingredients, so let's get cooking. I have some mayonnaise, basis of any good sauce, right? To that, I'm going to add some pickle relish. In it goes. And then to that, I'm going to add some Dijon mustard. Now to this mixture, we're going to add a little bit of vinegar, just plain old white vinegar, some garlic powder, onion powder, and last but not least, some paprika. And that's it. Super, super simple. I'm gonna give it all a mix. I don't even think that took a minute and a half. It was so fast. So I am gonna clean this up and then we're gonna come in and give this a try. This Copycat Big Mac sauce comes together in minutes with just simple ingredients you probably already have. Now, try it on sliders, wraps, or as a dip for air fryer fries. I even like it with chicken tenders. Okay, now I'm gonna have to taste this. So I have a treat today. I have my Big Mac Sloppy Joes here that I happen to have whipped up. My guys love these. And I am going to slather this sauce on the bun, because it's no fun to just eat the sauce, just plain. I mean, you could. But I'm gonna put a nice healthy coating on there. And then onto these Big Mac Sloppy Joes. I'm going in. It's gonna be messy. I shouldn't have worn a white shirt. Mmm. Oh, you guys, this Copycat Big Mac sauce is definitely a keeper. It's foolproof, flavorful, and turns any meal into something special. If you love Copycat sauces, you've got to check out my Copycat Boom Boom Sauce video next. It's another fan favorite that's just as easy. You can check it out here. I'll see you over there.